Reaching your first $100,000 is a major financial milestone that sets the foundation for building long-term wealth. While it might feel daunting, strategic planning, consistency, and smart decision-making can help you get there. 1. Develop a wealth-building mindset. Shift your mindset to focus on long-term goals rather than instant gratification. Understand that the road to $100,000 requires discipline and patience. Learn to view money as a tool to grow your wealth rather than just something to spend. 2. Create a solid budget. Budgeting is essential for wealth creation. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. Regularly track expenses to ensure you're staying on course. 3. Boost your income. Growing your income accelerates your path to $100,000. Negotiating your salary. Research market rates and negotiate a pay raise. Starting a side hustle, freelancing, online businesses, or tutoring can bring in extra cash. Upskilling. Invest in courses or certifications to qualify for higher-paying roles. 4. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first by setting up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account or investment account. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. If that's not feasible, start small and increase the percentage as your income grows. 5. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt with high interest, such as credit card balances, can significantly hinder your progress. Use strategies like the snowball or avalanche method to pay it off quickly, freeing up more money for savings and investments. 6. Start investing early. Investing allows your money to grow through compound interest. Begin with low-cost index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Even small, consistent contributions can accumulate significantly over time. 7. Live below your means. Adopt a frugal lifestyle without sacrificing quality. Look for ways to save on everyday expenses, like cooking at home, avoiding unnecessary subscriptions, and shopping for deals. 8. Build an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to protect against unexpected setbacks. This fund acts as a financial cushion, so you won't have to dip into your savings or investments in emergencies. 9. Leverage compound interest. Compound interest is your best ally. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. For example, investing $500 monthly at an 8% annual return will accumulate over $100,000 in just 11 years. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and stay focused on your plan. Reevaluate your progress periodically, make adjustments, and celebrate small milestones along the way. Achieving your first $100,000 may seem challenging, but it's entirely possible with a strategic approach. By saving diligently, investing wisely, and staying disciplined, you'll set the stage for a strong financial future. Once you hit $100,000, you'll discover it's easier to grow your wealth further, thanks to the power of compounding and smart money habits. Start today, and your financial goals will become a reality.